All right, today I have an LG washing machine, and I'm going to show you how to use this particular LG washing machine to the best of my ability. All right, so right here is an LG washing machine, front-loading washing machine. It has different spin speeds. It has different temperatures you can select from, different types of washes you can also select from, including pre-wash and intensive wash. I'm going to go over that with you with this LG front-loading washing machine with a direct drive inverter to 7 kilograms. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I have my clothes separated. I have colored clothes right here. And what I'm gonna do is I have an empty drum. And so I'm basically just gonna open up the empty drum, simply come up here, rip that. There's a little handle down in there, pull it back, and it opens up the empty drum. So now I have the empty drum. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put my dirty clothes inside of the washing machine, okay? So I have my dirty clothes inside of the washing machine. So once I have that in there, I'm gonna just go ahead and shut the door of the washing machine, the LG washing machine. The next thing I'm gonna do is add the detergents to the washing machine. Now it has 3 different compartments. It has a pre-wash right here, indicator for 1. It has the middle part, which is for the fabric softener. Okay, and then the other part over here, this is for the main wash. It has a number 2 over here. This is for the main wash. If you're not pre-washing, just put it into number 2 right here and bypass number 1. If you want to do the pre-wash, you can put some detergent right here. So detergent for pre-wash goes in here. You see where this blue thing is right here? It actually has a symbol for fabric softener. Put fabric softener in there. There is a limit to how much fabric softener you should put in here. Never fill it above the max line. And over here is actually where you add detergent. You add the appropriate amount of detergent to your detergent drawer. This is for the main wash. And after you have all of that, you go ahead and what do? You close it. And so now you're ready to get started with the wash. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna come over here and you're gonna find the power button. Here's the power button. Heard that nice song come on. And then, so once that comes on, you're gonna come over here and you're gonna make your selection. On this particular LG washing machine, there's a lot to select from, and we're gonna go over these and we're gonna get to the spin and temperature and all of that good stuff momentarily. So right here, you have a lot of different controls right here, or menu options. You have the baby care. You just simply spin this right here. So say for instance, you have clothing that's meant to be cared for because it's baby clothing or whatever needs baby care, you make that selection right there. You have for delicate, if you have delicate items, you can put them in there. Synthetic items, put them right there. Cotton large, I usually use this for large cotton material, whatever that's supposed to mean. So like say for instance, bulky like cotton, I'll put it in there. For normal wash, what I typically do is just go to the regular cotton. If you need to hand wash / wool items, they have this option right here for hand wash wool items. They have a selection for a blanket, so you can go ahead and put your blanket in there. And then the quick wash, say for instance, you need to wash your clothes very quickly. You don't have time to go for the full wash. Now granted, it will not get your clothes as thoroughly clean in the quick 30 as it would with the normal wash, but that is the trade-off. You just want them clean enough, go for quick 30. And then there is the rinse spin option for when you just want to rinse and spin your clothing, don't want the full wash. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this up to what I normally do, the cotton, and then I'm gonna move over to the different types of wash. You have the intensive. If you want intensive wash, you can go ahead and do that, or you pre-wash. But I'm gonna unselect those. I don't want intense and I don't want pre-wash, okay? So if you also look at this control right here, or this button right here, you'll see that there is a lock with a smiley face. Getting closer so you can see that. That is indicator of the child lock, and I'm gonna show you how to turn it on. I'm gonna take my fingers and I'm gonna press and hold both of these at the same time. And you see that? It lit up right here for the child lock being turned on. So when the child lock is turned on, you cannot change the controls like you normally would. You see what I'm doing? I'm trying to press buttons and nothing will happen. Well, that's because the child lock feature is on. Now, to turn the child lock feature off, you just simply go up here and you see the intensive and pre-wash buttons. I'm gonna go ahead and press this and hold this down, POP. And you see that the child lock feature went off. And now I'm able to make adjustments and do other controls with this washing machine. The next thing I'm gonna show you is the spin. So it has different spin options right next to the temperature. I'll get to that next. Now you have the spin option. So 1200, I believe that's 1200 rotations per minute. Okay, so it has the spin at the highest spin. Now you'll want that if you want your clothes, you want the water to be thoroughly out of your clothes. But if you have delicate clothes, you may want the spin to be a little bit slower, and that protects your clothing. They have the 1200, which is the fastest. You have the rinse hold to where it will hold the rinse and won't do it. You have a no spin, which just simply drains the water. You have the low spin, which is 400 rotations per minute. You have the 800 rotations per minute, and back up to the 1200 rotations per minute. So that is how fast the spin is going to go inside of this wash machine. The next thing I'm going to show you is the temperature. And you see this right here? It has temperature. You can actually adjust the temperature. 40 and 60 are kind of normal. 20 is on the lower side of being warm, closer to cold. And then you have the cold option where the temperature is not heated at all. Now, if you have colored clothes, you might want to go ahead and do with cold or the 20 degrees Celsius. Now, the cold water protects your clothes from bleeding, okay? So if you have colored clothes in, you don't want to do with the higher hot temperatures because it may result in your clothes being faded or the color spilling out onto other clothes. I am going to put this at 40 degrees Celsius because I don't think my clothes are going to bleed that much. And I want my clothes to be thoroughly clean. Now, with warmer water, typically gets your clothes cleaner. It helps loosen up the oils so they can become loosened with the detergent and water are mixed into them, therefore getting your clothes cleaner. So ideally, you'd want this right here to get it super clean because this is the hottest temperature. However, when you have it at the hottest temperature, it can damage your clothes if your clothes are not meant for handle that temperature, or the color will bleed if it is not meant for that temperature. So I'm going to set it to 40 degrees Celsius and I'm going to go with that. So after I've made that selection, have everything turned on to the selection I want, I am going to actually go over here and I'm going to press the start button. Do you see this button right here? This is the start button. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to do intensive and I'm going to do a pre-wash. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of detergent in for the pre-wash because I want my clothes to be thoroughly clean. So I'm gonna put some in for the pre-wash, and it's intensive. And I'm just gonna go ahead and start. And momentarily, you'll hear and see the washing machine actually starting to do my cotton wash, which is intensive, and a pre-wash, spin at 1200 rotations per minute and the temperature at 40 degrees Celsius, and it is getting started to make sure that my clothes are thoroughly clean. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.